Picture this: your cozy living room suddenly alive with possibilities you never imagined. The latest Apple TV 4K isn't some incremental tweak. It's Apple's audacious leap forward, blending raw power, sharp smarts, and effortless style into a single, game-changing gadget. If you've been coasting along with your old setup, hold on tight, because by the time we're done here, that familiar space will feel like uncharted territory. This might just be the crown jewel in Apple's home lineup, the one that redefines what center of the house really means. Experts are buzzing, labeling it the most transformative streaming powerhouse Apple has ever unleashed. And at its core, the mighty A17 Pro chip, turning this compact wonder into the undisputed king of streaming muscle, delivering graphics that punch like a gaming console, AI wizardry that thinks ahead, and navigation so snappy it feels like magic. Whether you're firing up a breathtaking 4K HDR flick, catching a pulse-pounding live game, or diving into an epic session, every moment flows without a hitch. We're talking 3 times the speed of its predecessor, not just quicker, but profoundly alive. What about you? Does this sound like the spark your entertainment setup's been missing? Hit the comments, and let me know your thoughts on shaking things up. With that kind of horsepower under the hood, the new Apple TV steps up as the beating heart of your whole media world. Games load in a blink, movies shimmer with crystal clarity, apps hum along without a stutter. It's all smoother, crisper, and intuitively clever in ways that'll leave you grinning. But let's peel back the layers, because velocity alone doesn't tell the full tale. Apple's weaving their signature intelligence right into the fabric of tvOS, morphing your Apple TV into a perceptive command center that tunes itself to your life. Envision flipping on the screen, and Siri's already there, hand-picking episodes that match your vibe. Maybe a chill comedy for a lazy evening or kid-friendly adventures when the family's gathered, drawing from the hour, your habits, or even the weather outside. It whips up quick episode recaps, tailored suggestions that feel eerily spot-on, and builds watch cues that evolve with you. And the beauty? It all happens right on the device, keeping your data locked down tight. No servers snooping around. This is entertainment with a pulse. AI that's as thoughtful as it is private, unfolding seamlessly within your Apple TV 4K. Then there's a connection game, elevated to near perfection. The fresh N1 wireless chip zips through AirPlay streams like lightning, pairs gadgets in an instant, and orchestrates your smart home setup with unflinching reliability. Say goodbye to those infuriating buffers for good. In this seamless Apple universe, everything just works, turning what was once a simple streaming box into the ultimate smart home nerve center. Flick on the lights with a whisper to Siri. Secure the doors from afar. Peek at the cameras or tweak the thermostat. All orchestrated from this one unassuming hub. That N1 magic keeps it all gliding effortlessly, forging bonds between your devices that feel almost telepathic. And get this, a true showstopper on the horizon. Whispers point to an integrated ultrawide camera, complete with center stage tech, bringing FaceTime to life on your massive display. Tracking your every move so you stay perfectly framed, no matter if you're pacing during a chat or lounging back. Just think of the stories it unlocks. Heartfelt catch-ups with far-flung relatives where grandma's smile fills the screen without you craning awkwardly. Brainstorming sessions with colleagues straight from the sofa, or shared movie nights with friends across the miles. Laughter echoing as if they're right there. It's that effortless Apple touch, making the extraordinary feel utterly ordinary in the best way. Gaming? Oh, it's stepping into the spotlight too. Fueled by Metal 3 graphics and the A17 Pro's brute force, this box goes toe-to-toe with dedicated consoles. Think real-time ray tracing for shadows that dance realistically, load times that vanish into thin air, and visuals so vivid they rival the big leagues from Sony or Microsoft, all without hauling in extra hardware. Pair it with Bluetooth controllers from those same giants, and suddenly your Apple TV's a family gaming oasis, ready for multiplayer marathons or solo quests. But the real intrigue? It's Apple's sly way of dissolving the walls between casual streaming and hardcore play, sparking a subtle uprising in how we game from the couch. Over in the smart home realm, it's evolving into Home Hub 2.0, the vigilant core that ties Matter-compatible gear together, executes Siri-driven routines on autopilot, and keeps watch over your security setup, even if your phone's tucked away in another room. Your Apple TV isn't content with just spinning reels anymore. It's the silent guardian that bolts the locks at dusk, softens the glow as bedtime nears, fine-tunes the AC for perfect comfort, and triggers those custom sequences that make daily life a breeze. This pint-sized powerhouse slips into background, becoming the sharpest tool in your tech arsenal. On the aesthetics front, it honors its roots, elegant, unobtrusive, top-shelf feel, but with thoughtful upgrades, a leaner silhouette for sleeker shelving, enhanced cooling to stay cool under pressure, and a revamped Siri remote that's a joy to hold, with clicky buttons, subtle vibrations for feedback, and Find My to banish the eternal where's a remote. Hunt forever. The tvOS layer? It's getting a fresh vision, centered on you, vibrant, shifting home screens that adapt on the fly, AI-curated viewing rosters, richer dives into Apple Music, Fitness Plus, and iCloud Photos, weaving your digital life into a cohesive, ever-ready portal. Word on the street has it dropping in October 2025, timed perfectly with heavy hitters like the iPad Pro Refresh, AirTag 2, and a spruced-up HomePod Mini, positioning it as the star of Apple's autumn showcase. Pricing? A steal that punches way above its weight, kicking off around $149 to $179, delivering elite performance without the premium sting. Here's the deeper pull. The Apple TV is shedding its streaming-only skin, stretching Apple's web of wonders from your pocket to your wrist, across your workspace, and now anchoring your living quarters. It's about infusing every glance at a screen, every tap on a device, every quiet hour at home with that signature cohesion. Sure, you might have a smart TV already, but pause and reconsider. This isn't about swapping out the set. It's about awakening it, making it the brainiest display in your domain. Close your eyes and see it. You stroll through the door after a long day, and your Apple TV's already set the scene. Lights fading to a warm hush, your go-to-unwind tunes softly playing, the day's agenda glowing softly. Even a handful of easy recipe ideas for that quick meal, all before your hand grazes a remote. No holograms or hover cars required. This is Apple's tomorrow, tangible and tantalizing. The 2025 Apple TV 4K packs it all. Your go-to for binge-worthy escapes, a stealthy gaming beast, the wise overseer of your connected castle, and a whisper-smart sidekick in one irresistible package. And the underrated angle? This could be Apple's Trojan horse, slipping their magic deeper into the soul of your space, far beyond iPhones, laptops, or wearables, right into the pulse of family life. So, tell me, are you geared up for it? Because this sleek arrival might not merely tweak your viewing habits. It could rewrite the rhythm of your entire household. This goes beyond a refresh. This is the dawn of tomorrow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.